What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. This episode here is gonna be a quite little different because it's not gonna be a Lamborghini we're working on, it's not gonna be an M4 we're working on, or a hypercar E46 we're working on. This video, basically in this episode, we're gonna be working on my new daily, my new pickup, my new daily, my new little snowboarding rig, my new 50 mile per gallon. It probably gets like 40 miles per gallon. It's a little diesel, but it's quite interesting because this one came in and it's lowered on some springs. It's got some wheels and it seems like it's tuned by Malone Tuning because it got the stickers all around. I'm not sure just yet. We're gonna go ahead and go through the car in this episode, and hopefully we're gonna get this thing on its feet today and rolling at least so we can take it for a spin. So I ordered the fender and then I got a door from the junkyard for this thing here. You guys can tell, look at this. The door is pretty beat right here, and then we have some A-pillar damage here. But I don't think this is that scary. What the plan is when I get my fender, because I ordered a fender, and surprisingly a Golf fender is like 60 bucks for like a Taiwan one, you know, it's like 60 bucks for like an aftermarket one. And then I went to find an aftermarket fender for this thing and it's like 200 something dollars. And then I called the dealer and dealer's like 270, I think, right? They said
280.
280 for a
plus
fender.
Shipping. Plus
shipping, so like 360 for everything for a stupid fender for a Jetta, which kind of caught me off guard. But I went ahead and went on eBay, found the part number, and bought a brand new Fender OEM for $260. So that's gonna come in, and then I got the door from the junkyard, and I'm hoping that the door is correct. It's currently inside my E46, but I'm hoping the door is correct. We're gonna go ahead and test that out in this episode. We're not gonna be able to fix this right now in this episode because I don't have the fender. I need the fender and everything to pull all this stuff out, measure this to the fender. So our main point to this video is to get it on its feet, rolling, driving, alignment done. Why I say that is because that wheel is damaged. This wheel is straight. The steering wheel currently is straight. This wheel is straight, but that one got some pretty serious curb rash, so it's damaged. But let's quickly walk around because there's some more damage back here. First of all, it's sitting on some TSW wheels. Those are some knockoff wheels, but they got fresh tires and they look better than the stocks, so I'm happy about that. It's currently lowered on I-back springs. And then we have some little damage back here, which is all gonna be repaired. The only thing I need to buy is this rear reflector. But that bumper is gonna be repaired, that rip is gonna be fixed. And yeah. We have some curb rash over here, and it seems like we are out of alignment, which I just noticed. Wheel sitting at a funky angle. So hopefully nothing bent back there.
All our sponsors right here.
All of our sponsors. Shout out to GoPro, shout out to, what else is out here?
Santa Cruz.
Shimano for the good suspension on this sucker. But let's keep going quickly. You see this wheel, that wheel is straight, this wheel is bent. We're gonna go ahead and address these issues. Besides that, I got quite lucky because the front bumper, the headlight, the fender, or not the fender, the front bumper, the headlight, the hood, the brackets, everything here is intact. The only damage is right here, like the main damage. It's right here. Let's quickly step aside because we don't have much time, and I'm pretty sure you guys are now fully amused by a Jetta wagon. Parts inside here. Parts inside here. We're gonna put this fender on for now. It is pretty brutally damaged, but we'll put it on for now. It's right here. I'm gonna hit it out with some hammer. I need to post my E46 for sale, you know, so we're gonna put that on. What are we gonna
Believe it or not, we're pretty excited for this sucker.
Actually, like, it's funny because it's a TDI, or it's a little Jetta, but it's a TDI. Saves gas and hauls ass, you know what they say. Interior
super clean inside.
Yeah, super clean. It's 118,000 miles. Very low for a diesel though. Pop the hood. So as of right now, the only thing I did to the car is change the battery. Look how disgusting that is. So I changed this battery here, and she fires up. Coolest feature about this car though is it has a trailer lights, and it has a whole hitch attachment. So take a look here. Come here. Kind of funny. So it's got this sucker here. See this bad boy? That goes into here. Oh man, so it's like that, you know? We'll be hauling boats and dirt bikes and RVs, you know what it is. Well, that's quite funny. Anyways, without wasting much time, let's first things first see if the door that I got from the junkyard fits. It was only 70 bucks for the door. The dealer wanted $956 for a freaking door shell on a Jetta. I don't know, it blows me away. There was some Lamborghini prices. I mean, Volkswagen and Lambo, they kind of the same company.
Basically the same thing.
Yeah, no. But let's go ahead and get the door swapped out. Hopefully it's the correct one. And then continue working on getting this thing driving. So that's pretty exciting. Let's go.
My boy pretend like he's doing something.
Freaking heavy door, dude. Imagine at the junkyard, I pulled this door off and I have to carry it, not lying at all right now, about 350 feet. And this door is so freaking heavy. I just put it on my shoulder like this and I walked like a purse. So dead. People are there probably laughing their butt off because.
Well, how do they usually do it then?
There's a wheelbarrow.
Oh, really?
But I didn't know that there's gonna be a door, so I just ran to see if there's a door, and then there's a door. And I was like, okay, I might as well take it off. I didn't want to run back anyways. Long story short, I hope that this here is not damaged. Because of this, I hope this is not damaged. But if it is, then whatever, you know, we're still gonna pull this all out. Let's go ahead and test that new door.
Not the mirror.
The mirror? How'd that fit, you're asking me?
Mm-hmm.
Watch.
No interior was damaged in this process.
The heck?
Did you make this while you were putting it in here?
Huh? That's gonna get PDR'd. I can't pull it out, yo.
Should we go other side?
Yeah. That's probably not good for your back. Was any interior damaged? Nope, looks brand new. I love it, E46. Shit. Chill out, dog. Not your guard, dude. You can't do that, you know?
Show us how you did it, Tim.
Alright, ready? Oh, this way. And then I went like this. And I carried it. Dude, this sucker's heavy. And Ed doesn't want to help, he just wants to record everything.
My life is easy.
Looks the same. Alright, you have to put the camera down for this one.
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, please, come on, dude. Come on.
Damn it.
Dude, please just help me once. I'm really gonna laugh, dude, so hard if this door closes and the gap is perfect. I'm literally gonna laugh my socks off.
I'm gonna laugh if it's a few inches short.
The door?
Yeah.
Right now we're worried, guys, that this door is a few inches short.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh. Oh, show some sign of life. Does my door have this? Yeah, it should. All right, ready? Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, fudge.
Oops.
Let's see.
What's up, man? Damaged hinges. A little bit of adjustments going on.
Oh yes. Watch this. I'll make the door fit right now, even if the hinge is a little bit off. Ready?
Me.
Too high, yo. No?
No.
Right. I think the door didn't open here. Yeah. Oh! Look at it. Look at that baby gap, yo! Yo! Look at it. Yo!
Looks like somebody's teeth gap.
No, it's not good though. It's not good though. All I gotta do is hit this hinge a little bit in.
In?
Yeah, down, the bottom one, the lower one.
Oh.
In? Hang on. Yo! This can't be real right now, Chief. Wait, that gap doesn't look too shabby. How is this gap? Is it extremely tight right here?
No, it's perfect.
No, it's big up here, it's tight here.
Nah, it's perfect.
No, bro, it's actually tight. Look, you can see it's higher here, the door. Look, what was that? You can see the door is higher here, see that? Look, see the door's higher?
Mm-hmm.
This needs to go down, that's why that gap is big. And that is I dropped the door, that's why I did that. Look, yo.
Let's go snowboarding.
This gap gotta go down a little bit.
Is it better?
Still more.
Fun fact, this is exactly how they
Set gaps
at the factory at Volkswagen.
Oh, it is better, look.
In Germany.
A little bit more, hang on. It's getting good, it's getting really good. I need to see that side first.
Okay, Tim, pretend like you're doing something.
I'm not gonna do that. All right, next thing we have. So, we got the door test fit pretty good. Got it all lined up. Opens and closes, not shabby. I can adjust the hinge a little bit, or the striker a little bit. But I'm not gonna deal with that until I have everything here situated, because when I go to pull this hinge might come out a little bit and I'm gonna have to readjust everything. Right now what we gotta do is go ahead and mock this fender up as much as we can and put it onto the vehicle. Then we can install the headlight, the rest of the car, and then start figuring out our suspension components. So, pretty exciting.
What are we saying about gaps?
What's up? I'm saying they're immaculate, bro. Alright, give me a couple of screws from there. Brand new Jetta. Just picked it off the lot. Anyways, real talk right now, guys. I want to tell you a little bit of motivation right here and right now. So, this car here, the winning bid for it was $2,650. After fees and everything, it was around $3,200. After shipping from San Diego back home, it was right under $4,000, correct. $265 for a fender, so $426. I'm gonna do just rough numbers. $70 for a door. That's gonna be $330, somewhere around there. I'm gonna guesstimate. So the door to paint is gonna cost right around $250 because it's inside out. The fender's gonna be around $150, so $400 for paint. We're at roughly $4,800 right now. Miscellaneous stuff, anything that runs up, another $300. So anyways, the car is costing me $5K. This vehicle right here, cleaned up, everything is worth right around, I would say 9, 10K in our market where we are located. So that's about $4,000 clean profit in a car like this. Okay, whatever, 3,000, whatever I don't know what else can happen. Say the control arms, say, I don't know, $3,000, 3.5K minimum clean profit from a build like this. So what are y'all doing? Get up, get hustling. You guys wanna make it? Right here, this is where it starts. So basically we're done from the exterior of the car. What we're gonna do now is pick up the vehicle, tighten up that fender liner, and once again, I'm not doing this because this is the finished product, but I'm doing this just because I'm waiting for the fender, and I needed basically a daily driver. The E46 is basically gonna be sold, so I'm just doing this for the time being. So the E46 is gonna be sold, and I have this car not only to go to the mountains, but I can already start daily driving it, as it looks right now. Once all the parts are here, we're gonna go ahead and strip this thing back off, pull it slightly on the frame machine, get that thing mudded out. It's literally a one-day full complete job to get this thing all finished up. So that's what's gonna happen right now. That's why we're doing the video right here. In the previous video, we dropped off the Lambo at paint, so take a look at that video if you guys are interested in that. And right now, we're gonna finish off this video, pressure wash this entire thing, try to figure out all the suspension components, and in the next video we're gonna continue working on the RS5, which is inside that tent right there. So stay tuned for that. Let's continue working. Look at this, bro. Looks good. Look at that gap. Imagine if I tried hard enough, I can probably fix this fender. You know, like in third world countries, they have a hard time getting parts. They fix this stuff all day. This would have been perfect. Hammer and dolly, get everything nailed out, railed out, made it all perfect. But what do we have? Suspension components now?
Yes, sir.
I think that's really it. So let's figure it out. Pick the car up and see what's going on. So this beast right here is cleaning up really well. It's running everything perfect, but I can't literally drive it because the front wheels are pointing in like this. So when I drive it, just like jolts all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick the car up right now, take a look under there, see what needs to be changed, and hopefully the local parts stores have them. If not, then that's gonna be the end for this episode because I can't really do any much more work. We're waiting for the fender, waiting for parts, you know. But if they do have the parts, we're gonna buy them, change them out, and take this thing off to alignment. Oh wow, you gotta put like a huge, look at this, dude. You gotta put a skid plate on this sucker. Look. Yeah, I can take this thing off-roading. Look at that.
You forgot to mention that it runs.
It runs prime, like I'm saying, perfect. So I got some bad news. You guys can see by me over here. I'm gonna shut this off, it's a little bit loud. Bad news is this, we cannot set alignment because the tie rod is bent.
Neighbors are being maniacs today.
Slow down. Anyways, we cannot set alignment because the tie rod is bent on that side. I tried to kind of just straighten out the alignment just so I can take it to the, what's it called, Firestone and see maybe, you know, maybe they can diagnose more stuff, because when you drop a car off for alignment, they take a look at all the suspension components and it'll tell me anything that's bent, so that way I order it, you know. But I can't even do that. I tried to adjust a little bit. The tie rod is rusty. Car is from Minnesota, I think, right?
Initially from Minnesota, apparently, and then we got it from
Minnesota plates, and we got it from San Diego. But anyways, it's rusty. I couldn't unscrew that tie rod. Wasted some time under there, as you guys can tell, but I got it a little bit better, but it's definitely not good enough for the car to be road legal. Look at this wheel right here. It's literally pointing, never eat soggy waffles west. But anyways, you guys get the point. It's bad. I gotta order some parts. I'm gonna leave you guys off right over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little episode on this TDI, this little maniac beast right here that gets 40 miles per gallon plus. It's gonna be a fun little rig for the winter. I'm gonna probably put a little ski box up top or something and just use it for hauling parts and stuff like that. It has more room than E46. It's more economical. It looks better. It's got better. It's just a newer car in general. Well, I don't know about better, but it's newer, and in that case, it's better. But besides that, I'm gonna leave you guys off right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching to the very end. If you guys are new to this channel, lightly tap the subscribe button. If you guys are enjoying the content, smash that like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BYBTim. The next one is the best one, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.